Hey everyone and welcome. My name is Nicole. I'm a cosplayer, nerd, the whole 9 yards. Usually I share cosplay content, but today I am doing an unboxing. I saw a grab bag thing that was all Sailor Moon and I had to have it. My mom actually got it for me for my birthday, which, releasing this video today, it is my 30th birthday. But I have been a Sailor Moon fan literally as long as I can remember. I got into it when I was like 4 and I love all of the characters, so grab bags are never a problem for me. I obsess over all of them. I have a pretty good, Sailor Moon collection already. Like, this is one of my favorite hoodies. I wear it all the time. I got it on Etsy. I'll link the shop below. It's so cute. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna be unboxing. I have not looked into this yet. I just took it out of the shipping box because those things are loud and annoying. I got it from here, and I will link the actual one that I got in the description. So yeah, if you like cosplay and nerdy stuff, we're gonna be doing cosplay talks and all sorts of different things coming up. I have Fan Expo next weekend. I'm so excited about, which we'll be doing con vlogs for. If you're into any of that stuff, go ahead and subscribe and let's dig into this because I'm so excited. First thing on top is this, oh my god, it's so cute, little washcloth. It's so cute, oh my god. There's a little egg. Let's see what's inside of it. Can I? Oh, there we go. This egg has, move that. I love this set. It's a little wire set. I've seen those online. Let's see. I got Luna. I got La Luna. I highly doubt that'll. Yeah. She's so cute. I love it. Oh, that's so pretty. It's like a binder organizer? Not binder. Nope. Spiral. Spiral organizer. It got a little bent up because of the bag, but set some heavy books on top of it and it'll be fine. But it's a ring pocket file. Ring pocket file. I can't talk. Sorry, guys. That has 5 pockets and 5 clear pockets. And the artwork, get my ring light off of that, is so pretty. It's for the 30th anniversary. For my 30th birthday. We got another little egg thingy. It has those as options. And it opens. Oh, it's super cute. Like, it completely comes apart. And that's the inside. Yeah. And we got a little notepad. Love me some Sailor Neptune. I cosplay her. I need to cosplay her again. I haven't done that in a while. But it has, like, on the inside. Focus, camera, focus. That is super cute. Oh, even the back is cute. I love that. The Hello Kitty Sailor Moon crossover thing. I don't know what's in it. Let's find out. Chibiusa! Oh, she's adorable. Oh, focus. They're so cute. Honestly. I will be definitely giving these to my best friend because that is her absolute favorite. And that is super cute, so that'll be perfect for her. And if you don't know who I'm talking about, it's the one that I'm always cosplaying with that actually cosplays her. Wow, this thing is like never ending. Hey, I got a Sailor Mars keychain. Oh, she's so stinking pretty. I have been wanting a Sailor Mercury for a long time and never have quite found one that I like really, really liked. But this collection, God, this collection is like my favorite thing ever. I love how they like come headless. But yeah, I have, she will be perfect with my, oops, Serenity, because I already have Serenity from this line. But they come with their little stand. Like, she's perfect. I love her so much. God, she's so pretty. But yeah, everybody was like obsessing over the pops and everything, and I was like, but this line, that's so pretty. I love it. Yeah, this haul is great. Also, I am doing a collaboration with a Japanese crystal delicacy treat. They're really cute. Look at how pretty those are. Oh my goodness. Like these are to eat, guys. I don't know if I can eat. They're so pretty. I'm going to do a haul for Fan Expo and show y'all everything that I got or I get at Fan Expo. There will be 3 days, so 3 con vlogs. And I'm also going to be posting a 30th birthday vlog from the weekend of what I do for my birthday over the weekend, this weekend. So those are things to look forward to. And then we're going to be doing chat sessions with my husband and my best friend because we're all friends and we all do conventions together and all have very, very, very different viewpoints on conventions and all of that. So that will also be coming. And we are planning to do more cooking videos with Usagi and friends. Haven't done one of those in a long time, but we are planning on doing those and then starting to plan the Halloween stuff. It's crazy how fast this year has gone. So thanks for watching.